Hello, four-year CNA fans, and welcome to the first episode of Test Tip Tuesday. I'm your host, Miss Patty from 4-year CNA, and we welcome you to the program. Every Tuesday, we will feature a test tip that's relevant to the CNA state exam. In today's episode, I want to talk about denture care and why we have to put a washcloth in the bottom of the sink and why this is such an important aspect of testing. To you, it may seem like a very small, nitpicky step, but to the patient, it actually makes a huge difference. When you're cleaning dentures over the sink, they can become very slippery, not only with food particles and saliva, but also with toothpaste and water. And sometimes those slippery dentures can slip right out of your grasp. Now, dentures are extremely expensive. On average, they cost between $3,000 and $5,000 for a full set of dentures. Now, most of the time, insurance does not cover this cost, which means your patient is left holding the bag. So, if you accidentally drop these dentures in the sink and they break, this can have detrimental effects to your patient, not only financially, because they have to pay for the replacement dentures, but also from a functional standpoint, it's very difficult for them to eat without dentures, which means that they're going to have their food pureed or chopped up really, really fine so they don't have to chew. This isn't very appetizing. It doesn't make the food look good. It doesn't make it taste good. It's kind of a strange consistency. So patients generally don't eat very well when their food is pureed. It takes several weeks to get dentures made. You have to go initially to get molds made. Then you have to go for fittings. So this can take several weeks, and it's very uncomfortable for patients. So we have to take every precaution we can to keep all of this inconvenience from happening to the patients. So when we're cleaning dentures, we want to make sure that we put that washcloth in the bottom of the sink. And that's going to help create a softer surface if the denture should slip out of your hand and fall into the sink. Now, if you can get that washcloth over the drain, that's even better because then the water is going to pool up inside the sink. And if the dentures fall, it's going to hit the water, which will slow the fall down. So by the time it hits the bottom of the sink, it doesn't break. So that's today's episode of Test Tip Tuesday. Remember, if you get denture care, putting a washcloth in the bottom of the sink is going to be a super important step. But it's not just for the test. Remember that this step is going to be super important when you're taking care of patients in the field as well. Thanks for tuning in today to Test Tip Tuesday. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and tune in on Mondays for Motivation Monday, Test Tip Tuesday. Wednesday is Workplace Wednesday. There's Newsflash Thursday, Fashion Friday, and of course, Career Spotlight Saturday coming up as well. So make sure you tune in for each one of those. Until next time, this is Miss Patty saying happy caregiving.